Here's how to use Snapchat. Use our clickable sections below to skip through different parts of this tutorial. Although the functionality is similar between iOS and Android, today we are going to show you how to use Snapchat on iOS. Once you've created an account and have signed into Snapchat, a screen will appear that says Find Your Friends. Press Continue and allow Snapchat to access your contacts. The app will then go through your directory and create a list of people in your contacts that use Snapchat. Tap the Add button on the right side of Contacts to be able to send snaps and view stories. If you press skip on that first screen for finding friends, no problem. You can also add friends by tapping on the icon on the top right. It depicts a person and a plus sign in a circle. This will also pull up people that use Snapchat from your contacts. Again, you can add someone by tapping the Add button to the right of their name. If you want to follow specific influencers or people who aren't in your contacts, hit the Find Friends bar and type in the person's name or username. Press the subscribe button to the right of their name and you'll be able to see their snaps. Now let's take our first snap. Double tap anywhere on the screen to switch from your phone's front and back cameras. To take a photo, tap the big white circle on the bottom of the screen. To take a video, hold down the white button and let go when you're finished recording. To use a filter in your snap, tap on the smiley face on the bottom right. Scroll through your options, and when you've picked your filter of choice, tap it to take a photo or hold it down to take a video. Snapchat allows you to edit your snaps in several ways. To add text, tap anywhere on the snap and a text bar will appear. After you type what you want, you can change the color by using the sliding scale on the top right. You can also change the font by tapping through the options on your text. When you're done editing your text, press Done on your keyboard. You can now move the text around anywhere on the screen with your finger. Use 2 fingers to angle the text and adjust the size. You can also draw on the snap. Tap on the stylus icon on the right to pull up your color options. Once you've selected a color, you can use 2 fingers to change the stroke size. Use your finger to draw anywhere on the snap. If you want to undo a stroke, hit the curved arrow on the top right. To finish drawing, tap the stylus icon. Tap on the page icon below the stylus to add stickers, the time, the weather, and more to your snap. You can use your fingers to change the position, angle, and size of these as well. Add even more flair to your snap by scrolling through background filters. Swipe left to go through general and location-specific options. If your snap is a photo, use the timer icon on the bottom right to choose how many seconds someone can see the snap, from 1 second to no limit. Now you're ready to send your snap. Hit the Send To icon on the bottom right. You will have the option to send the snap to individual friends, all of your friends, or to make it public. To send to individual friends, tap their names and confirm by pressing Send on the bottom right. You can unselect friends by tapping on their names a second time. Sending the snap to your story means that all of your friends will be able to see your snap for 24 hours. To post to your story, tap My Story and hit Send on the bottom right. You can also post your snap to the Snap Map, which means that every Snapchat user can see your story. You can change your settings by tapping your Snapchat icon in the top left, followed by the settings wheel on the right. Scroll down to Who Can and adjust who can contact you, view your story, and see your location. To chat with friends, swipe left to see your friends page. Here, you can talk to friends you just snapped by tapping their names. You can type, take another snap, send stickers, and send photos and videos from your camera roll. To chat with any of your Snapchat friends, tap the icon on the top right, scroll through your friends, and tap the person or people you want to chat with. Selecting multiple people will start a group chat. Press the chat button at the bottom of the screen to type, take a snap, send stickers, or send photos and videos from your camera roll. To go back to home screen, swipe right or hit the camera icon in the bottom center. Tap the search icon in the top left to bring up horoscopes, games, friends, popular Snap stars, shows. Tap on shows and publishers and hit subscribe to start seeing their content on the Discover page. For shows and publishers, you can advance through the content by pressing. Swiping right from the camera screen will bring you to everything you are following. On top, you will see your friends' stories. Below, you will find the Discover content, including your subscriptions.